Hello everyone, welcome back to Cast2cloud tutorial. In the previous video, we worked on the model definition part of Cast2cloud. Today I will show you the last step in the working flow, it is the JBI files editor and visualization results. If you recall the third tutorial, we created mesh of a beam made by steel and applied loads, constraint on it. We want to solve a linear elasticity problem with this mesh. And we ended in the summary page. By clicking on Finish button, the corresponding JBI file of our problem is generated. In this page, you can view the content of the JBI file. The information about the project is in the header and you have explanation for each part of the script. By default, this script is set read-only. If you want to modify it, you need to click on the Edit button. Once it turns red, you can start modifying it. You can click on the Help button for more information about the other button. When everything is okay, you can name the script in this field and click on Download button to download it to your computer. You can simulate your problem directly from your web browser by using the server connection feature of Cast2cloud. There are two options to exploit your problem with Cast2cloud. For a moderate size one, you can use our computing server for simulating. But for the bigger ones, you can use our interface to connect to your own server via SSH. To connect to your custom server, you need to enter your host IP, username, and password. We use the default port 22, for SSH connection. For more information about data privacy and security advices, you can click on the Help button. There are two options you need to specific. The first one is the Cast3m version installed on your host. Currently we supported version 16, 17 and 18 of Cast3m. The second one is the simulation mode. If you want to visualize your computed result with Cast2cloud, you can select with visualization option. This option is suitable for the short simulations, under 5 minutes, since you need to wait it finishes in order to process to visualization page. For the longer simulation, you should select the second option without visualization. Your script will be computed. To use our computing server, you just need to select Cast2cloud demo server in the selection list. In this tutorial I will use our demo server to simulate this example. With Cast2cloud demo server selected, you can click on Connect button to connect to your host. Once the server is connected successfully, you will get the Connected to Server. Press Compute button to start simulating message. Now you can press on Compute button. The output of Cast3m will be shown in this window. Once the simulation is finished with error code 0, the next button becomes available and you can click on it to go to the visualization page. To know about the button on this interface, you can click on the Help button. To get your results from uServer, just click on Get Result Files button. In this dialog, you can select the result group and the time step you want to download. If you recall in the third tutorial, I selected total strain, stress, and equivalent stress as the outputs of this problem, so here these results are available for me to download. I will download the displacement of all time steps by using the Get All button. When the download process is finished, you can select the result desired and click on Plot button to visualize it. You can animate the result with Play button. For the mechanical problem, you can also plot the result in deformed shape. If you want to save the animation, you can use this button to save it under GIF format. Thank you very much and see you in next tutorial about importing mesh.